In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Help Me Write in Gmail. Help Me Write is a built-in writing assistant in Gmail that can generate a draft for you based on a short prompt. It is useful when you need to write something quickly, when you want a more polished tone, or when you are not sure how to start. You still stay in control because you can insert the draft as is or refine it before adding it to your email. Start by opening Gmail, either on your computer in a web browser or in the Gmail mobile app. Once you are in your inbox, begin a new message by selecting Compose. If you are responding to someone, you can also open an existing email thread and choose Reply instead. Both options work the same way, so use whichever fits what you are trying to send. With the message window open, look along the bottom area of the email draft for the Help Me Write icon. It looks like a pencil with a small star. Select that icon to open the prompt box. Now type a clear description of what you want the email to say. Be specific about the purpose and tone so the draft matches your situation. For example, you might write something like, write a formal resignation letter, or draft a short follow-up email after a meeting, and keep it professional. If you want the message to include certain details, you can mention them in your prompt as well. Keep in mind that the output will be better when your prompt is direct and includes the key context. After you have entered your prompt, select Create. Gmail will generate a draft based on what you requested. Take a moment to read it carefully, because it is meant to be a starting point. You may want to adjust names, dates, or specific details to make sure everything is accurate and appropriate for the recipient. When you are ready, select Insert to place the generated text into your email. If the draft is close but not quite right, choose Refine instead. Refine lets you adjust the tone or the length, which is helpful if the message feels too casual, too formal, too long, or too short. After refining, review the updated version, and then insert it into your email when it fits your needs. That covers everything you need to know.